Hey, this is Brian Garmadello with MarineMax of Huntington. Today we're going to look at our used 2023 Galeon 50 Fly. We'll start on the transom area of the 50 Fly. You've got your 360-degree rotating rear seat. You've got a grill here. Make our way up to the bow. Grab rails. Large seating area to entertain family and friends, with a nice folding table. These here below the table are skylights for your most forward bedroom. Got a spotlight, windlass with foot controls. And we'll make our way down the port side of the boat here. Here we are on the flybridge of the 50 Galeon. You've got large L-shaped seating aft with a fold-out table. U-shaped seating to starboard of the upper helm area. A sinking grill contained in this unit here with an isotherm ice maker. Your helm area and a very large sun pad in the front. Here we are in the galley area of the 50 Fly. This boat is equipped with the dark walnut mat and the white upholstery color combination. You got Samsung appliance here, refrigerator there. You got sink and a 4-burner Kenyan stove with a nice silicone cover here. So if this does hot, you put this on here, kids or anyone unsuspecting will not burn themselves. Coming forward, you have a TV that retracts into the cabinet, which is in its retracted position now. A high-low table to port with very large L-shaped seating. This table can go down, and if you got a bunch of kids, they want to stay the night, this is a great spot to keep them. Here at the helm, you've got bow and stern thrusters. There's a very nice reach, so when you are driving, you don't really have to look where you're at your controls. You can focus on where you're going, and feels very natural here. Your Penta stop-start buttons, toggle switches, 2-ray Marines. Very comfortable helm seat, and this white upholstery is very nice. This boat is equipped with the protective carpeting, so if you so choose to expose the beautiful hardwood floors, you can do that. So our most forward VIP cabin, your dark walnut looks really nice with this white suede here. You've got ample storage underneath your forward berth here, as well as 2 hanging lockers on your port and starboard side. You got a jewelry station, more storage, port, starboard, more forward, and 2 smaller cabinets just above the headrest. As we exit our forward cabin, we enter the first head on the port side. You have access from the forward cabin as well, so this would be your day head. Making our way to the master. Nice large stand-up shower. Again, that dark walnut looks very nice. And just look at all the natural light that will come through these windows. On the starboard side, we got twin bunks. If you're interested in our used 2023 Galeon 50 Fly, contact us at MarineMax of Huntington, 631-424-2710.